Tailwind CSS is one of the hottest frameworks out there for styling your applications, but what if you need a little help or some inspiration on what exactly you want your site to look like? Well, let's take a look at an easier way to build landing pages with Tailwind CSS. What's up, everyone? My name is James Q Quick, and I do weekly videos on web development related topics. And I have spent a lot of time working with Tailwind CSS myself personally. I know the community loves Tailwind CSS. So I wanted to share a resource that I stumbled across called Tailmars. And this is basically a set of templates that you can use that are Tailwind templates for different types of pages. Now, this is one of the biggest things that I struggle with myself is I want to build some sort of app or a demo for a YouTube video, and I struggle with the design. And Tailwind CSS has made actually implementing a design pretty easy with all the different classes and utilities and things that they have baked into itself. But I still struggle with, I don't have the vision necessarily of what I want this thing to look like to then go and actually implement. Real quick, I'm going to give away 5 free copies of Tailmars, so stick around to the end of the video to figure out how to be eligible to win. So I found Tailmars and figured I would share. Now this is, they've got a Twitter account, and this is created by my friend Eden. And it's pretty cool because it's a set of a bunch of different templates for different landing pages built with Tailwind CSS. So you can see here's one landing page. And then if we go through agency 1, 2, 3, business, enterprise, etc., you get these cool CSS grid components or like grid system type thing. You get callouts and heroes, nav bars. And I like these, the little like custom bullet points with icons, little call out here, pricing. Let's see, let's look up startup just to see what that's like. You get these images or videos that kind of overlay this angled design, which is something I never really catch myself. It's such a subtle thing, but it makes it look interesting. You get this connected dot thing. There's all different kinds of components inside of this kit. I think it's really, really useful. Now, there is something called Tailwind UI, which is also really great. But for a lot of people, it's very, very expensive. So I think it's either $200 or $300. I've actually paid for this myself. So it is really sweet, but it's more expensive. But Tailmars, you can get all of these for just $10. So if you go to the buy now, it's $10 that you can pay to get this. But what I'm going to do is give away 5 free copies of this for anybody that's watching the video. Stick around to the end. I'll tell you what to comment to be eligible for being a winner. But I want to show you, I've already downloaded all of these. And I've got them open, and it gives you all of those different files inside of here. So after you download them, you can run npm install the packages. I've already done that. And then run the npm run dev command, and this will load all of this up on localhost 3000. It loads up super fast. It's using Vite, so it's going to be super fast and responsive. And let's just start with, let's go to make sure we're on agency 1. I think that's where we are. And if I try to open agency 1 or index HTML, actually, we should see this site built here. And if we scroll back over, let's see, meet your new favorite theme. Let's see if we can find that in here. Meet your new favorite. And if I just say quick theme, hey, there's quick. Cool. So I can go and customize these, fill in all the information that I want to make this fully my own. Now, one other thing I wanted to show you is on the documentation, they show you how to customize the colors and things inside of here. So you can go into the Tailwind config and look at theme and extend and colors. And you can see you can define your different colors in here, your primary, secondary, and complementary to match whatever your color scheme is for your design. You can change the fonts. You can do all these customizations to really make this exactly what you need, with having a really good foundation for starting. And again, tons of different components on here. If you want to do your blog, you can do that here as well. So it's a great way to get started with Tailwind to give yourself some inspiration. Like I said, I'm going to give away 5 free copies of Tailmars. So to be eligible, leave a comment below with what you would use it for if you were the winner. I'll take a couple of days from the posting of this video and then message the winners in the comments below. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you're excited to build some amazing stuff with Tailwind CSS. In the meantime, I'll catch you next time.